it's Yasemin Islek here, and today I'll be showing you my Morphe brush set that I just bought brand new. It's called the Stroke of Luxe and it has 22 brushes in it, and I'll be showing you how to create this makeup look using these beautiful brushes. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what the brushes look like. They all come in little packets as well, all these plastic packets, so each one is individually wrapped, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and take them all out. Wow, look at all those beauties. Love it. Wow, I love the rose gold colour. I'm such a fan. And I love the bristles as well on the brushes. I've used Morphe brushes before, so I'm really excited to use this collection. So I've just laid out all of the brushes after unpacking them. They are all reasonable size. They feel nice and soft. Very nice and dense as well. I look forward to using these. Good for contouring, great for applying foundation and buffeting it into the face. Then you have these white bristle brushes. This one's good for highlighting. You can also use this one for highlighting as well. Great for eyeshadow, all of these ones. Foundation brush. Create a natural brown smoke eye with the Shan EXO the Remix palette and use those brown colours. This works well for the inner corners. I really love this brush. To add that little glow effect. Great, the brushes pick up a lot of product and they blend quite nicely on the eyes. I'm really loving it. They're very nice and soft on the eyelids as well. It's not pricking my eyes. And same with the other brushes. They didn't prick my eyes or my face. They just worked very flawlessly. So I've just finished the quick makeup look using all of these amazing brushes. I really do love them all, and they've helped me to create a really nice flawless makeup look. I'd just like to say thank you so much for joining me and watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I've just started, so I'm just building on that momentum of bringing out more goods in relation to makeup, fashion, and everything that has to do with beauty. So please keep tuning in, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See you later.